Today is day one of learning how to code Guts and Black Powder into Minecraft. For all of you who don't know, Guts and Black Powder is a pretty fun game on Roblox. Basically, you play during the Napoleonic Wars, and when you're playing, basically, you are trying to escape cities from this zombie virus known as the Blight, as you can find in many lore drops throughout the game. And basically, there's multiple maps, and see if I come over here and find some players right here. They have sabers and muskets, and that's pretty much just my goal. Is also I need to make individual zombies and maps. So my goal is to be coding all that. Like this, I gotta make like peasant zombie sort of things. I gotta make like soldier zombies. I'm also gonna have to make like animations for everything. If you saw earlier, there's a specific type of zombie. Let me see if it's around here. And they're known as powder kegs. Oh, there's also red eyes, which are fast zombies, and if they get on you, you can't escape. Right here, here's a powder keg. They essentially just explode when you shoot them or when they get close. Kind of like a creeper, but like they can still move while they're exploding. And then you have objectives. So there's three game modes: objective, holdout, and um, endless. So I'd like to make at least one map for each. And then there's also 5 main classes, and then there's two special ones: the surgeon, and then in the church of, and then there would be like a priest, chaplain, because these zombies are technically demonic. And basically, my goal is to code that into Minecraft. So we have the base code right here. This was my code for another project, but I'm just gonna use it for this one because why not? I already have a creative mode tab, and over here, I already have 3 items, which I just need to rename. Got some black powder. Oh, I installed some mods to look at like some guns, like the Timeless and Classics, with some add-ons. There's a mm, a kind of musket-looking gun, but then when I went and looked at it, fired it. When I reload, I saw that it wasn't really like a musket. So I also installed. Did I? I thought I did. Let me see. I did. I added a musket, one that's already like an actual musket mod. And I would only like it if it was 3D. That's kind of like my main goal with like the tax weapons you see on there, like 3D and whatnot, and how you can actually aim your sights and whatnot. That's kind of like my goal, is to have 3D weapons, and then I also need to code. Yep, that's my goal. So let's go back over here. on this project, I only got to the starting blocks. Um, I got a couple weapons or items, so I just need to rename these. So let's see. Let's rename it to a saber. Saber. Change this to a pistol. Change the detonator into, let's just say just a musket. Musket. So those are kind of like the three main weapons. There's more, but like those are the three main. Since this is just items, they're only going to appear as items. Um, so now I just need to go through all my stuff and change everything to the corrupted fuse. I changed to the saber. Corrupted keycard changed to the pistol. And the detonator changed to the musket. Change this to the saber. There we go. I think I fixed the items tab. Oh no. Assets. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay, so the names are gonna stay the same for now because I don't have updated textures with names, and I still need to update their JSON models as well. So, oh, let's close this. Close this. And we're gonna close out of Minecraft for today. So let's see. I'm going to need to Control C. Item, new file, I think. If I'm correct, then it needs to be. So they're going to replace the. So saber.json. Control V, change this from detonator to saber. Now I can delete the detonator. New file. Another one was pistol. So pistol.json. Pistol. And then the last one was new file musket.json. Control V, change out detonator for musket. Now to open Microsoft Paint. Yes, this is how I make my textures. And time to make just some placeholder textures. Sorry for hitting my mic right there. So we'll go ahead and make the pistol texture. Do that. May not be a modern day pistol, but this is just a here. There we go. Now it looks more like a flintlock. So now I just need to file, save as PNG, name this the pistol.png. Open File Explorer, go over to download. What the fuck? Pistol, grab this. Come over here to textures. Nope, oh, not. Nope, oh, yes, okay. Delete these. Time to make a, oh, why do I have the detonator open? File, okay, file, new. Zoom back in. Time to make a musket, so, yeah, it's a musket, so we're gonna need a barrel, like a little hand thingy. Make these continue to here where it's gonna like pop down at. And we're gonna make the little like flint thingy. Give it some like wood. Give it a bit of a wood texture right here. Here. Gave it a little trigger. There we go. File. Save as PNG. This is going to be the musket. Oh, immediately gets put in there. Okay. File new. Zoom in. This one is the saber. So we're going to need yellow. We're going to make a yellow saber. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm trying to like draw. I mean, they're just placeholder images. I'm gonna change them once I get 3D textures, but right now, file, save as the saber. Looks kind of more like just a knife, but it works. Okay, let's see, make sure these all imported correctly. We're good. Okay, run the client. Oh, it can't find these. I need to change these. I forgot about that. Change to the corrupted fuse. Yeah, change to the saber. Change to the pistol. And this got changed to the musket. Okay. Now let's run the client. Let's see. Oh, what is going on? Got some illegal reference. What do you mean? Did I do something wrong? What do you mean? Field of definition? It's the fucking mod ID. Oh, I forget. You need to have them. Got. There we go. Dot mod ID. Okay, and then that's what you need to have, I think. Shift G U T S. Novabyte dot copy cope mod dot guts and black powder dot mod underscore ID. That's not what I needed. I'm retarded. I think that I just need the get rid of the mod ID. I think I fixed it. Let's see if that works. Hopefully that works. I'm missing like an equal sign. Nope, I'm not missing an equal sign. go into my test world. Oh, by the way, this doesn't say Minecraft data, so I don't have my skin, so I get one of the default ones. Let's go over to the, okay, that's what's wrong. But we got all the things right. Oh, not the names. I forgot to change this. Oh, right. I need to go over here. Change this to Saber. Saber. Pistol. Musket. Musket. Pistol. Finish that. Okay, we're good. Wait, is that not working because I didn't add a comma there? Okay, that comma doesn't go there. I don't know. Okay, let's close Minecraft, run it again. This episode is mainly just me reusing textures, but tomorrow I'll add the blocks. We'll run through some missions, decide which ones in Guts and Black Powder we want to add. If you guys have played Guts and Black Powder before, and you have a specific map you want to recommend me to do, I'll probably do it because I'm thinking about certain maps, and they're named properly now. Is this still jacked up? It is. But anyway, maybe I could just like retexture stuff, change the iron sword to a saber, or find a mod that already adds sabers or something. I don't know. But that's gonna be all for today, guys. Sorry for the ugly skin. Um, I'll see you guys in the next video, which I don't know will be a coding video, but it might. Oh, there's a solid chance that might be a gaming video. Anyways, bye guys.